guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this green smoky eye using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette because so many of you guys requested me to do more looks and more colorful eye looks with the palette. So this is what I came up with, and I also asked you guys on a poll, and a lot of you guys still wanted me to do the green smoky eye, so I got it. I did it for you guys. Okay. I am obsessed with how this eye look turned out, so I really hope you guys recreate it. And if you guys did, please tag me, Khadijah Alsagoff, on Instagram. Why am I so like violent? You guys can follow me on my Instagram, which is Khadijah Alsagoff as well, same as my YouTube. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys would like to see next. Maybe another look using probably the Subculture palette. I don't know. I really don't know what I'm gonna do next, but whatever it is, you guys will definitely be the first one to know, especially my Instagram crew. You guys know it first. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and let's just get started. I'm gonna first go into my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Silk Cream and MFEO, and I'm using my big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to buff that into my crease. I also applied a scotch tape at the edge of my eyes, and then I'm gonna go into the shade Butter and Pukey with my e.l.f. blending brush. And now this one, you want to be a little bit more focused right in the crease. Like the first two shades, you just want to be sloppy and just have a nice transition color. This one, you just want to have a bit more concentration on it. And then I'm going to go into the shade Creamsicle. Creamsicle is a yellowy brown color, and I wanted to give this look a more warm-ish look, not like it wasn't warm enough already. And I'm just going to put it right above those four colors just to give it a nice like transition effect, like this nice brownish yellow transition effect. And then I'm going to go into the shade Roxanne. This is like beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Again, with that same brush, you're just going to go to the edge of the outer corner using that scotch tape, and then bring that into your crease all the way to the inner corners. You just want to keep on repeating this step because you want to intensify this like color look. And I'm gonna go into the shade Enchanted, which is a dark hunter, not hunter, but like a dark foresty green. I'm gonna go in with a flat shader brush, and I'm just gonna pack that on the outer corners first, bring that into my crease and create like a wing out look. And then you want to put that into your crease and create like a half cut crease kind of look. And you just want to repeat this step and blend that out, repeat it and blend it out. I think I repeated this step about 4 times just to get the maximum like opacity of that green. Now, we're going to start carving out the crease. I'm taking my Colourpop concealer in the shade Medium. I always use this. And I'm going to start doing my half cut crease. So I'm just going to do it halfway. And then going back into the shade Hunter, we're just going to blend that color out on the outer corners. Now I'm going to go into the shade Diva. It's a nice light green shade. And I'm going to first pat it on because the concealer is still a little bit wet and tacky. I'm going to pack that on. And then after that, I'm going to go into my Makeup Forever perfume. Relax. Makeup Forever makeup spray and just pack that onto my eyes. And then boom, eyeliner is done. For lashes, I'm using Cheshire lashes in Matte Hatter. For primer, I'm going to be using my Australis Matte Out Face Base Primer. Something like that. And then I'm just going to apply that because it's like a stick form, and then blend that out with my fingers. For foundation, I'm going to mix the Catrice Matte Foundation. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's a Catrice Matte Foundation. And I'm going to put a little bit of the darkening drops because this foundation is a tad bit lighter, but I went a little bit overboard with the darkening drops. And I look orange. I look like an Oompa Loompa like girl. Yeah, my foundation was not good, okay? So then for concealer, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Natural. I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my chin, my forehead, you know the drill. And then blending that out using my Brina Beauty Blender. I really love this concealer for days when my foundation is way too dark for me, because this one really lightens up my whole entire skin and it gives a nice beautiful brightening effect. Then I'm going to go in to my Australis Ready Set Go powder, and I'm just gonna set my under eyes with that. But it was white. My under eyes looked white after that, and then the rest of my body was orange, so that was cool. To set the rest of my face, I'm using my Mosaic Cosmetics loose powder, and I'm going to set it using a sponge. I've been doing this a lot lately, and I love the way it makes my skin look. Even after like a whole day of wearing it, my skin still looks A+. To bronze out my skin, I'm using my Catrice contouring palette or contouring powder. I'm just going to bronze up my skin with that. And then, using the same powder, I'm going to contour my cheekbones with it because I sincerely freaking love this bronzer a lot, okay? For blush, I'm using MAC Blush Baby. Oh no, sorry, MAC Melba. For highlight, I'm gonna be first taking my ColourPop highlighter in Wisp. I think it's Wisp. If it's not, it's Spoon. I'm gonna first apply that, and then on top of that, I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier Indiscretion highlight. Look at that glow, girl. It is blonding. Yes, Khadijah is slaying. Yes, girl, slay. Yes, put on more. Like, not that your cheeks are already like glowing from gods. And then putting that onto my nose, on the tip of my nose as well as my cupid's bow, and then repeating that onto the other side. And then I'm gonna go in with a black eyeliner, and I'm just gonna apply that onto my waterline, and also smudge it down my lower lash line. And yeah, it took me quite some time to do this because I was like, ooh, that shit's a bit painful, okay? And then I'm going to go back into the shade Enchanted and just applying that with an angled brush right on that black to set that black. And then going into the shade Pukey and Roxanne and just blend that out under my lower lash line. Really, really smoking it out so that it just gives a nice smoky effect underneath the eye to match from the top as well as the bottom. And then for my brow bone, I'm using the shade Beam. For lips, I'm going to be taking my MAC Taupe lipstick. Love this lipstick so much. And then my favorite combo is this lipstick with Kylie's So Cute. But I think I put on Kylie's literally first, and then I put So Cute right at the center to give like this beautiful nudie lip gloss look. So yeah, after this, you are completed. You have slayed this green smoky eye. You look hella cute, hella fine, hella green. Okay, girl. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this, and let me know what you guys would like to see next, like what kind of looks, and I will see you guys on my next video. Love you, girls. Bye.